Hi guys, it's your girl Tammy and welcome back to my channel. And yes, don't clear your screen, don't wipe it off. These are jewelry pieces that I've actually purchased from Cato Fashion. Yes, your girl has an obsession problem with jewelry. And because I work there, when I see it come in, I just gotta have it. My weakness kicks in and I just gotta have it. But the reason why you see a lot of pieces today is because mainly, our store did so great that we got an extra 10% off. So a lot of these pieces, I did get 30% off instead of 20% like they're marked. Also, the items are just super, super gorgeous this season. All of the wooden pieces, I absolutely love them. Look at this basket weave wooden. Oh, this is my favorite. I wore these like 7 times and I always get stopped and asked. They're wooden with corkscrew and tassel, and it's so well made on the back. I want to show you. It's gorgeous backwards. I mean, it looks so good. You don't have to worry about the fringe coming loose or anything. I absolutely love those. And it's like a little marble effect on the corkscrew. Just really, really pretty piece of pair of earrings. Um, I'm loving all the wooden jewelry. You know, your girl loves wooden jewelry. And this is so lightweight. But what made me want this is the gold trim. It makes it look so classy and expensive. I absolutely love it. And these pieces are like $5.99. You know, Cato earrings started from $3.99 all the way up to $5.99. And all their wood pieces right now are currently in the store for $5.99. Now, I would love for you to come to my store and buy them, but go to any Cato that you're closest to and shop. But if you came to my store, you know you guys will be able to get a close up encounter with me, a meet and greet, and that would be so cool, wouldn't it? I absolutely love this. Those are pineapples. These little wooden doohickeys are so cute. And the bamboo looks just like the Gucci's. You can't tell them apart. Mm-hmm. It's up by the price. I absolutely love those. Aren't they cute? Aren't they cute? I can't wait to wear them. I love those also. I wore those with that jumper, that romper. And this I wore several times also. And it's a showstopper. It make any blouse look amazing. It's just so rich in color and just so high end looking. And you can also pair it with this piece too. It actually goes with it. This also, I wore this to work, and the young lady came up to me with the necklace in her hand. She said, "Excuse me, but is this the necklace that you have on?" I was like, "Yes." And I said, "Well, the earrings over there too." And she was like, "Where?" So she loved my necklace. So I enjoy wearing Cato items. Here they marked at 30%. This was on clearance for $2.99, but I got an additional 30% off. So go figure, for the price. These are really cute. The shells with the gold trim. I got them in white and teal, and I absolutely love these. I can't say enough. I absolutely love all the earrings, and I just super, super astute trying to share this video with you. Okay, so this is a choker, and it is a faux zebra stripe, but it's actually like a fur. So it's like a faux fur, but it's not real zebra, so no harm's done to the animals, but it is super, super cute. I was thinking about wearing this with something like purple and just putting black and white in it, or cobalt blue and putting black and white with that, even red, and just do that versus just wearing something white and black. But you can do that as well. I thought it was super, super cute. Um, this you saw that price, $7.99. Now these bracelets are gorgeous. They're like my lifeline. I absolutely love them. It said I can do all things. And then the second one says, through Christ who strengthens me. Isn't that something to keep on your wrist? You know how you have those medical bracelets alerts? This is my medical alert. And it's adjustable, so it doesn't matter what size your arm or hand is, you can slip it through. This bracelet was super, super cute. I actually wore this today at work. Now, you guys, some of this jewelry I have been wearing, but I've been putting it back on the card, and so some of the cards are mixed up. They're not accurate with the actual item that I put on it. However, I just put it back on a card for the sake of this video, but I don't keep my jewelry on cards at home. Isn't this chain cute? And that hammered chrome finish on that piece. The chain is super, super long. It's a great for layering if you want to wear more than one necklace. And I absolutely love this bangle. It is super, super classy. I love that gold finish inside, just super, super elegant. And the red as well. And I'm gonna wear this red and white one with that red jumper that you guys saw me in. Now, aren't these gorgeous? Gorgeous. Now, Cato didn't send a necklace to go with this. I'm just hoping that one come in because I cannot wait to wear that as a set. But that is beautiful. Now today, I wore this to work and I absolutely felt dressed up. It just looks so authentic, but I'm pretty sure it did not come from Africa. However, it gives you that vibe and I just love the jewelry. Cato has stepped up their game on jewelry, you guys. I've never purchased so much jewelry in this amount of time ever in my life. So I would say I did all of May and all of June jewelry shopping, and this is what I come up with. Now there are some pieces that I just didn't pull out that I did purchase and already worn, but this is recent, so I wanted to make sure I keep you up to date and not show you clearance items. Now, Cato do have great prices on their clearance jewelry. You should check it out because a lot of these pieces, some of these pieces are on clearance now, but well, not a lot, maybe a couple. But so always keep that in mind too. Check the clearance price when you're in the Cato. But check out store number 1237 and I'll be glad to see you. Cato also came out with the comfort, new comfort shoes, and these are super, super cute. Now I've been hunting for a flat that wasn't quite a flat. We had an arch and a heel and cushion at the same time. This shoe fits like a sneaker. It feels like a sneaker, but it looks, give me the feel of a nice pump or I can't say stiletto, a kitten stiletto, but that's how I feel. I feel like I'm in a heel, yet it's so squishy and so soft. Isn't it silver pretty? I absolutely love it. It looks so good on my feet. It's just perfect. It zips up in the back for easy slide on, so you can just slide your feet in there from behind. It come in black as well. Now the only problem I have with this shoe thus far is that it didn't come in other colors, because if it came in other colors, it's gonna be a problem with my wallet. Oh yeah, because I want them in all other colors. I wore these to work today, the black ones. Look at that bounciness. I have never felt so great on my feet in a long time. So you guys should try out some of their comfy shoes, especially if you stand up like me. I'm in retail, so I'm on my feet quite often. And these are perfect for work. And they're cute and sassy and comfortable. So it's giving you that comfort and the support you need. Well, guys, I'm going to end this video right now because I have to go. I love you for watching. I always love you for supporting me. And don't forget to subscribe for those that are not a part of the family.